we have no doubt in our minds about two things. A charge of corruption requires to be cleared from the head of a public servant as quickly as possible.
Yes, madam.
Two, no Indian or a foreigner suspected of a crime should be kept in jail without giving him an opportunity of a fair
Yes,
and
madam.
prompt trial. That is all that we have observed in our.
This channel does not promote any violent, harmful, or illegal activities. All content provided by this channel is meant for an educational purpose only.
CBI has submitted report. In the report, paragraph 10 of the report reads as follows. Set out paragraph 10. Paragraph 10 to 12 of the report reads as follows. Full stop. The report also indicates that on 10/2/2025, the matter was heard by the learned trial judge, and the judge observed the learned counsels for Shondeep Ghosh was making baseless accusation against the agency. Furthermore, it is recorded in the order that scanned copies of the relied documents shall be supplied to all the accused by tomorrow, that is 12th February 2025, as per 12th February 2025. Full stop. Learned counsel for Shondeep Ghosh, are you still a doctor, or your medical degree is suspended?
But this suspended, there's a writ protest.
Cancelled, but it was challenged.
Like you cannot.
No, it's cancelled.
medicine as of-
It's cancelled. That I
We are
cannot do
not
right.
describing you as a doctor. As Shondeep Ghosh contents number of documents, contents emails, contents that number of documents, relied upon documents had not been supplied, and there are deficiencies in the other documents too. He, however, he denies that he has made false, wild allegation against the agency as recorded in the order. Learned counsel, senior counsel for Kumon Hajra places on record the application placed before the trial court and submits his client had participated in the inspection and had inspected 216 out of 482 documents, 482 relied upon documents. Full stop. He contends he would be in a better position to make submission after perusing the scanned documents proposed to be supplied by the CBI. Learned counsels for other accused respondents also contend, while contending that documents have been supplied to them, they would make submissions after verification of the scanned documents. The case pertains to allegations of corruption by the former principal of Archicor Medical College in collusion with other office office bearer, other employee
Office bearer and contract.
in collusion with the office bearers and contractors in respect of various activities of the hospital. The charges are very serious and are very serious in nature, and if found to be true, would disclose a nefarious nexus between the officials in the health officials at the helm of a public hospital acting in collusion with
Malad. All these things.
to be true.
Malad, that's not the point. These observations, as of this particular moment, for this, no, just a minute. For this exercise is not required, Malad. This is exactly what
Allegations are very serious, and in order to ensure allegations are very serious, and we are informed the respondents are in jail.
Yes,
Yes,
deeply.
Corruption is corruption in public administration erodes the confidence of the general people in the affairs of the state. It has far-reaching consequences, polluting the clear polluting the health system, it has far-reaching consequences. In the present case, it has far-reaching consequences. Polluting the.
I think your lordships are keeping these appeals alive. Perfect.
Alive.
So now it's 207, Malad.
These observations for a pertinent reason. Corruption in high places have serious impact on public confidence in the affairs of the state. To instill affairs of the state, a prompt trial of persons accused of corruption would reinforce the faith of the people in the justice delivery system. Similarly, the accused who are in custody have a right to fair and prompt trial. Given this situation, the requirement of a prompt trial is a sine qua non in the present case. Is a sine qua non, is an unexceptionable necessity for administration of justice. Full stop. To achieve this end, this court had passed directions for this court directed the CBI and the accused to compare documents even during a weekend and ensure that the requirements under section 230 BNSS is complied with. Report placed before us, CBI's report indicates that such exercise had been undertaken in a has been undertaken in a substantial measure. CBI has in terms of, I think, 193 BNSS. The copies are to be supplied on in
230.
230 is
online. The facts.
230 is proviso.
Proviso says, na?
Yes.
I would-
Yeah.
230.
Proviso
Electronic means.
Electronic means.
Proviso
And inspection is also there.
in compliance with proviso to section 230 PNSS, CBI has also
No, no,
undertaken to supply electronic /scanned copies to the accused by tomorrow. Respondent accused are directed to examine the hard copies as well as the
No.
scanned copy. CBI is we are conscious that the copies supplied run to over 1,000 pages. To facilitate verification and comparison, CBI to facilitate the process, CBI is directed to supply a list
Index.
to supply a list of witnesses, supply an index consisting of list of witnesses, list of documents relied upon, list of witnesses, list of documents relied on documents, and paginate the scanned copies.
Now, so far as only document is concerned, I'm telling your lordship, suppose document A is a register. If that register contains 2,000 pages, we are only annexing the document A is register, pagination is so and so, not the entire document.
The document, how many pages?
Yes, that will write.
That must be.
That will indicate. That will.
That must be given.
That will indicate.
That the index comprises of 2,000 pages.
Yes.
Now, what you can do is you can paginate that index from 2001 to 2999. You can give numbers to those pages.
Yes, my lord, we shall give D1. Suppose it is a register containing 2,000 pages. We shall
Then
write that.
Describe that.
Yes.
That way.
Okay.
List of documents and duly paginate the relied upon documents. In the event the document is a voluminous register, etc.
Stock book, register, all of these.
Voluminous register, etc. The number of pages of the said
Yes.
register may be
Indicated.
supplied, may be indicated.
Indicated.
Stop. Respondent accused are directed to verify, are at liberty to verify the documents and communicate to CBI, verify the documents and request CBI to supply, verify the documents and submit report before the trial judge.
Very well.
The trial judge is requested to fix, trial judge may fix a date subject to the court's convenience before the hearing of the matter, preferably before the hearing of the matter.
Tomorrow is the date.
hearing
Before the hearing of this court.
শনিবার বা সোমবার
We are informed date has been fixed by the trial judge on 12th. He shall be at liberty to fix another date to consider the issue, to consider the submissions of the parties in respect of the scanned documents supplied and pass appropriate order. List this said date may be preferably fixed prior to the hearing of this case. Next hearing of the case, place the matter for hearing on Tuesday. On Tuesday.
তোমার টিউচর অসুবিধা
না
Sure.
Tuesday. Yes, sir.
Only one thing, Manat. Whatever we gathered when we read the order, the trial court said that since the matter is pending in High Court, I cannot pass an order. Now we going to the trial court gives trial court the liberty to pass necessary orders in the event certain documents are required.
Also give it to the trial judge in the event the trial judge is satisfied
It's just not
with regard to grievance, if any, raised.
correct.
Now, grievance, if any, raised by the accused, he may pass appropriate
Yes,
orders
that's right.
for supply of the for further supply, and the same shall be made forthwith.
And the observations made by this honorable court, subject to what
There is no observation.
Well, only, well, it's a request, my lord. You know,
That is
before signing the order, my lord, kindly reconsider the observation.
We will
But the situation is like, my lord, even if we win the war, battle, my lord, we're going to lose the war, my lord.
We have no doubt in our minds about two things. A charge of corruption requires to be cleared from the head of a public servant as quickly as possible.
Yes, madam.
No Indian or a foreigner suspected of a crime should be kept in jail without giving him an opportunity of a fair
Grateful,
and
madam.
prompt trial. That is all that we have observed in our.
Very well. Grateful, madam. Grateful.